Hey y'all, I was just coming to y'all to show y'all my eyebrow tutorial. I'm not a makeup artist, so not by any means, so I just do what works for me. That's what made me bring this video, so that y'all can do what works for y'all. Right here, I'm just shaping up my eyebrow with my brush. I had already used my brow powder to fill in my brows. And then after I filled in my brows with my brow powder, I lined my eyes up with my MAC. I think it's NW40. And after I lined it up with that, as you see what I'm doing right now, I'm trying to clean it up, sharpen my eyebrows up with the line. I just do what works best for me. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist. I don't know what the rules are. I don't know what brush to use or anything like that. I just do what works best for me. So that's why I brought you this video, because there's so many rules in the makeup world, but in my world, I just do what works for me. I am a hairstylist, so I can tell you anything about hair, but makeup, no, I just do what works best for me. So right here, I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows. You're gonna see me go in a couple of times, checking it to see how I like it. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to give y'all a better version of my eyebrow tutorial, being that this is like my official first YouTube video, and I just said why not record it so that y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. Right behind this video I will have a hair video coming up so that y'all can see what hair I offer. I make wigs, custom made wigs. I do machine made wigs. I do handmade wigs. Whatever I feel like doing at the time. If I have a lot of orders, I'm definitely getting on the machine. So yeah, just sit back and watch the rest of the video, and leave some comments at the bottom. Okay, so right here I'm still checking, trying to make sure everything looks to my standards right here. You see me coming in close to the camera. I'm still checking to make sure it was good. I really never had any idea of what I'm doing. I just got on YouTube, try to see what they do and try to mimic as far as my eyebrows, because I've always wanted to do my eyebrows. I thought that was so cool to be able to do my own eyebrows. So right here I'm cleaning it up again with my little flat brush. Like I said, I don't know what brush to use on what. I just do what works best for me, and that's what you should do as well. Now if you go and get your makeup done, you know, of course they're gonna know what to do, but for us, doing it on our own, being that we're quarantined in right now, you know, you just gotta do what works. And even when we're not quarantined, do what works. It'll help you in the long run, especially if you want to learn how to do your own brows. So like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, but as far as my eyebrows, I do pretty much know, because I kind of been doing my eyebrows a little while now, so I pretty much know what I'm doing. I just use whatever I pick up or whatever I've been using on it, which is those two brushes you see me using. That's what I use. So I'm gonna stop rambling now. I'm gonna go ahead, probably gonna speed it up a little bit. And you guys can leave me a comment. My website is www.hairsopretty.com. My Facebook is hairsopretty, and my Instagram is hairsopretty, hair_so_pretty. So go follow me, like, subscribe, and comment. and I will definitely engage with you guys as well. Y'all have a good day.
Alright,